Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This red XLT comes with the Sport package, so you've got a running board on the side here, remote entry keypad on the door, blind spot mirrors that are heated, you've got power window controls on the interior, power seat with lumbar for passengers and drivers, power adjustable foot pedal, and electric parking brake. Your main dash here, turn the key twice. You've got display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and power distribution with truck settings. Comes with pre-collision, active braking. You've also got my key and display setup. Cruise controls on the left, and then you got hands-free on the right. Over here is a Sync 3 sound system with 4G hotspot, Bluetooth for your phone, satellite radio, and Ford Pass Connect. You've got hill assist here, traction control, four-way flashers. You've got plow controls here. And you've also got auto start stop, a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and a trailer backup assist. Heated seat controls in the center console. You've also got 2 USB ports and a household storage area. You've got a 12-volt outlet with a 3-prong household plug. Center console shifter with a leather armrest as well. Coming towards the back, you've got a paint-matched rear bumper here. Rear view camera is right above the Ford logo here. Tailgate step built into the tailgate. Looking into the truck bed, you've got LED box lighting all around the side. You've also got a rear passenger window with lights over top of the bed to light it up at night. Taking a look into the back seat, you've got cubbies in the doors here. Cloth seating in the rear that does fold up for more storage. You've got a center cubby here behind the seat for storage of papers, cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and another household plug. You've also got some fans over here to control air temperature towards the rear passengers. Dome light in the rear, and you've got roof hooks for hanging bags or articles of clothing. And then back around to the front, get a paint matched front bumper here with a metallic gray grille, halogen headlights and fog lights. You've got tow hooks and your plow hookup up front in the grille. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.